The Snap-on MHG5B is a handheld wire feeder. It replaces the wire feeder attached to the series MIG welders, allowing you to easily weld aluminum and other metals. Welding aluminum requires a cylinder of argon gas. To set it up, first attach the MHG5B to the front of the welder. Feed the aluminum welding wire into the feed tube. Remove the top cover and continue to feed the wire until it stops at the tensioner roller. Open the tensioner roller and feed the wire past the drive rolls. Release the tensioner and put the cover back on. Next, pull the trigger to feed the wire the rest of the way. Cut it to the proper stick-out if necessary. To adjust the wire speed, turn the dial on the bottom of the handle. With the flow meter, set it at 40 CFH for aluminum and purge the gas lines. Now you are ready to weld aluminum with your Snap-on MIG welder.